Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the arrangement you can manage, simplified if you need to learn quickly, full if you want accuracy. Once chosen, set a metronome to 7290 BPM and mark where rubato fits. Next, assign hands, left for steady bass patterns, right for the melody and ornaments. Begin practicing small sections, 2 bars at a time, and loop them. Make sure to use fingerings that allow smooth legato. This gets you playing the theme correctly from the first practice session. You now tackle the middle passages by isolating motifs and practicing repeated 2 to 4 bar phrases at slow tempo. Once done, add dynamics. Plan crescendos and small accents to shape the melody, and practice tempo shifts where the theme breathes. Make sure to integrate pedaling. Use half pedal for clarity in fast runs, and full sustains sparingly to avoid blurring. Gradually increase speed in 5 BPM increments, and connect phrases so the middle flows into the climax. You complete the arrangement by linking sections with practice transitions. Match tempo and dynamics so the ending feels inevitable. Then refine articulation. Practice trills, mordants, and decide where staccato versus legato serves the phrasing. Record yourself and compare to the score to fix timing, balance, and pedal wash. Make small edits and rerun problem bars. If things go wrong, slow the treble spot to 1/2 speed, refinger it, and practice isolated repeats until the passage locks in reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.